Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hello children. Yes, which lesson are we learning? First lesson, learning large numbers. Okay. Now, in that lesson, we were going through the exercise 1.4. 5 mains we have finished. Now, it is the 6th main. I hope you remember what I had explained in the last class. It was related to ascending order, descending order, larger numbers, smaller numbers, successor and predecessor. I hope you remember what I said about that. So same thing we will be solving now. It says sixth main, it says write the successor of the following numbers. Yes. What does successor mean? One number after. That is, you have to add one to the given number. In your lower classes, you might have learned number after, number before. Only the name changes here. Here we call it as successor, means number after. Predecessor means number before. Okay. So you have to add one for successor, you have to subtract one for predecessor. Now successor. First one, 7689. If you can orally write, it is well and good. If you calculate in mind. Otherwise, if suppose you have doubt, you can do it in the working column here. You can write 7689 plus 1. You get 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 8 plus 1, 9, 6, 7. So it is 7690 is the successor. Successor means one number more. Yes. Second one, I will do only 2 for you. Other 2 remaining 2 you have to do in your books. The same way. First one, working way. Again, second one, 46,999. Yes, what is the rule for successor? You have to add 1. Add 1 and you get the answer. What is the answer? 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7 and 4. So, you get it as 47 thousand. Now, remaining two numbers are there, that is 24,998. You have to find the successor for that, and 8,29,409. Whatever is the number, the rule is the same. So, you have to just add one, that's it. Okay. So, now let us come to predecessor. What is the rule for predecessor? Seventh main, after each main draw a sleeping line, children. Other two sums I think you will complete. I want it complete in your notes. C and D. It is there in your textbook, page 77. Next question. Write the predecessor. Write the predecessor of the following. Same thing, you have to subtract a number. Now, as I told you, predecessor means one number before. Take the question now. It says 2069. 2069. Write in the working column. Follow this, children. Draw a working column on your right hand side. 2069. Predecessor means you have to subtract 1. You subtract 1 and you get the answer 9 minus 1 8. 6 you write the same 0 2. So answer is 2068. This is the predecessor. Remember, predecessor means minus 1. 30,000. Second question. 764. Second question. 30,764. What is the rule? Minus 1. 30,764 minus 1. 3, 4 minus 1, 3. 6, 7, 0, 3. So answer is 30,763. This is a predecessor. Okay. So same way other two numbers you have to do. C. Question C is 25,690 minus 1 you have to do. Next D. 6,000. Again minus 1 you have to do. You get the predecessor. Okay. This is 7th main. Now let us go to last main, that is you have to find the greatest and smallest number. What is that? Have you learned that or no? Yes, you have learned. It comes in comparing numbers. Greatest and smallest means obviously you want to compare the numbers. That's it. Okay. So 8th question. See the textbook, page 77. Write down the question. Circle the smallest number in red and circle the greatest number in blue in each set. That is, there are two sets given. You have to do the same for each set. First set I will be doing. Second one it is your work. Okay? Yes. How I will do, you just see. First one 24,763. First number. Second number 27,643. Next number 26,473. Next number 23,467. Just check all the numbers. 24,763. Yes. Next 27,643. Yes. 26,473? Yes. 23,467. Now your work is to find the greatest and smallest number. Greatest number you have to circle with red. I hope you have crayons at home. Use that and circle the smallest and greatest number. How to find the smallest and greatest number? First step, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you cannot find the greatest or smallest number using counting the digits. Yes? Now, check with the numbers from left. That is the second step. Okay? So 2, 2, 2, 2. It is the same. So we cannot find. Next, 4, 7. Oh, second digit, there is a difference. So you can find which is greater, which is smaller. 4, 7, 6, 3. In 4, 7, 6 and 3, which is the smallest? Yes, tell me which is the smallest? 3. So you can circle with red. It is the smallest. I will circle it and write. You circle with red crayons. Yes? Now, which is the greatest? 4, 7, 6. Which is the greatest here? Yes. Circle the number with blue crayons and I will write it here as greatest because I am not using color. You can use color and mark it with smallest with red and greatest with blue. Okay. This is the last main. You have to do the second one and complete it and close the main by drawing a sleeping line. This ends the exercise 1.4. Okay, these concepts were learned last time when we met, that is in the last class. This class we have completed the exercise. Now I am going to teach you a new concept, that is formation of numbers. Okay, you just think, what is formation of numbers? Yes. Any idea what is formation of numbers? Do you remember? I told you that there are digits in maths. Before numbers, we have digits. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are digits. Using these digits, we form numbers. Yes? Now, in the same way, we are going to learn how to form numbers using the given digits. For example, it is there, that explanation is there in your page number 78. You can see the example, children. Page 78, you can open and see. They have given some examples. Without repeating the digits, they have given something like that. You can just go through it. After the class, before that, I will explain. Okay. Now, take example of few digits you take. For example, let me take 4, 9, 2. Okay. Now, you have to form numbers with these digits. These are the digits given. Okay. So, anyhow you can do. I will write 492. Yes, you can form this number. These are digits, children. Remember, these are digits given. These are numbers formed. These are digits given. These are numbers formed. 492, 294, then 429. Then any other number? 249, 942, 924. Many numbers you can do with permutation and combination. That is, writing any number first, second, third time like that, you can do many numbers. But here we are going to learn how to form greatest and smallest number. Is it okay? Yes. Now, digits given forming numbers, you know. This is how we form the numbers. Okay. So, the topic we are learning now is formation of numbers using digits. This is the topic we are going to learn now. Especially formation of greatest and smallest number. What is the rule? I will tell you. It is a simple rule, that is, you have to write in ascending and descending order all the digits. That's it. Formation of numbers using digits. In that, we are going to learn how to form greatest or smallest number. Okay, I'll give you a small example. Say suppose you have taken number 3, 7, 5. You have taken digits 3, 7, 5. How to form greatest and smallest number for these digits? Tell me how to form. What did I say just now? Ascending and descending order you have to follow. Yes? Now 3, 7, 5. If you have to form greatest number with these digits, big number should come first. That's all. Greatest means what? Very big. The maximum big, which number is there in this? 7. Yes, 7. Next one, 5. Next one, 3. So 753 is the greatest number which can be formed using these digits. Now, we need to know about smallest number. Smallest number. How do we form smallest number? Yes. Smallest number means small number you put first. 3, 5, 7. This is the smallest number which can be formed using these three digits. Okay, this is how we are learning to form numbers with the given digits. Now, another question comes. If suppose there is a 0. This part is very easy. Any three numbers given, you can form greatest number. You write numbers big to small. 7 first, then 5, then 3. Smallest number, 3 first, next 5, next 7. But what about if a 0 comes? Let us take that example. Now forming numbers with 0. How do we do that? Just observe. If suppose numbers are like this, 4, 0, 6, 1. Any number you can take. Now, how to form greatest? What is the rule? What is the rule given? Biggest number first. 6, 4, 1, 0. 6, 4, 1, 0. You have to write all the numbers, but it should come, comma should come here only, children. It is 6,410. Okay? Yes. Now, next one, smallest number. How to write the smallest number when there is a 0? What is the rule? Smallest number means smallest digit number when you are forming. You have to write the smallest number first. Here, actually 1 is smallest, but smaller than that is 0. But this 0 doesn't have any value if you write it first. So always remember, children, first if you write 0, there is no value for that. So in these three, 4, 6, 1, which is the smallest one? It is 1. So write that first. Then immediately you have to write this 0. Then next one 4. Last one 6. So this is the smallest number formed using these 4 digits. Okay, so this is how you are going to form numbers using the given digits. Important thing is how you have to use 0. 0 comes second always in smallest number. In greatest number it comes last. Okay, is it understood? Okay, now there is one more concept, that is formation of numbers with repetition of digits. You can just observe page 79, children. Just go to page 79, everybody. Just to see steps given there. Formation of numbers with repetition of digits. Just see the steps given. Yes. To form the smallest number, arrange the numbers in ascending order and then repeat the smallest digit at the beginning of the number. Yes. Just I will explain you that step. Read that step, children. It is very important. Yes. We are learning formation of numbers with repetition. Formation of numbers with repetition of digits. Yes. Step says that whatever digits are given, you arrange in ascending order. Then, if suppose I give you the example, what is the question they have given? If suppose question is 2, 7 and 9, 3 digits are given. Question says form a 5-digit number using 2, 7 and 9. So the digits given are 2, 7, 9. But we need a 5-digit number. Are there 5 digits here? No, there are only 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. That is, they are telling us to repeat the digits. Yes. Form a number, 5-digit number using 2, 7, 9. That is greatest, they are asking, and smallest. They are asking for greatest and smallest 5-digit number using 2, 7 and 9. Now how to form greatest and smallest number using this? See the step given in page 79, you see children. To form the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending order and then repeat the smallest digit. Then, to form the greatest number, arrange the number in descending order. Then, repeat the greatest digit. So, greatest we are writing first, never mind. What they have told, arrange in descending order. So, 5 digits means 2 digits are less. Okay, so leave little space. Arrange in descending order. 9, 7, 2. 2 digits are less, correct? They have told repeat the greatest number. 99,972. Now, smallest number. How to form smallest number with the 3 digits? Where you have to have 5-digit number. How do you do this? They have told to arrange in ascending order. 2, 7, 9. This you write. In the beginning you have to add smaller number only because it is smallest number you are writing. So 2, 2. I hope you have understood. Once again I will tell you. whenever less digits are given and you are asked to form numbers of more digits, that too it is greatest and smallest, you have to follow the rule. What is the rule? For greatest number to be formed, you have to write first the given numbers in descending order. First you write those numbers in descending order like this. Okay, then coming to the left side, you have to add only the biggest number. How many ever times they tell? If suppose 6 digits means 3 digits, which is less. Okay, here 2 digits are less, so you put 9 2 times. Then coming to smallest number, you arrange the given numbers in ascending order as you did before also. Then digits are less. So what you have to do for smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest number. How many times? How many digits are less? Those many times you have to repeat. So here 2 are less. So 2 times you wrote 2. Here 2 times you wrote 9. So this is how you form greatest or smallest number by repeating the digits. Yes, go through page number 78 and 79 children. All the steps are given. Yes, before you start the exercise. Okay. Now, if you have finished the exercise before this, that is exercise 1.4. Now, draw a line and go to exercise 1.5. It is in page number 80. Go to page 80. Exercise 1.5. First question says, read the question and write children. First question says, form the smallest and the greatest number using the given set of digits. So, form the smallest and greatest number using the given set of digits. So, digits are given here. Yes, draw the box. It should be neat, children. Draw the box. Write the heading, digits, the smallest number and the greatest number. So you have to draw these columns. Make it ready. Yes. Now first question says 2, 4, 3. 3 digits are given. You have to write the smallest and the greatest number. How do you do this? I have told you smallest means small to big you have to arrange. 2 is small, next 3, next 4. That is 234. Now greatest number. It will come greatest number first. Always remember ascending order, descending order. That's it. 432. Yes. Next comes the concept of zero. I have told you how to follow when you get a 0. 4037. Don't put a comma here, children. Here, okay. Here you don't put, only one comma comes. Now, there is a 0 there. What is the rule? Can you write 0 first as it is the smallest number? No. When it comes to smallest number, ascending order Yes, you are correct. It is ascending order, but 3 you write first. You cannot write 0 first. But 0 does because 0 doesn't have any value, children. For example, I will tell you 90. What is this? 90. 09. What it is? 9 only. If you write 0 before any number, it doesn't have any value. You read it this as 9. You read this as 111. 0 no value if you write on the left side. So you have to shift it to the second place. So 3 is the smallest, then 0, then 4, then 7. Comma comes here. Okay. 3047. Now, how to write the greatest number? It is as usual 7, descending order 7, 4, 3, 0, last 7430. Yes, C and D. I am not going to do. You have to do it on your own because it is as we have done the first one. Smallest means ascending order. You arrange all the numbers. Greatest means descending order. You arrange all the numbers. Smallest means small to big. You arrange. Greatest means big to small you arrange. So C and D I am not going to do. Next, E. C and D you have to do. Last one I will do it for you. That is E. Why I am doing this is again a 0 comes there and it is 5 digits. Okay, write down the question. It says 90743. How do you arrange 90743? Yes, tell me how do you arrange? Smallest number, start from the smallest number. 3, 0. Where it should come? Immediately after the first number, correct? So 0, then which is smallest? 4, then comes 7, last comes 9. So it is 30,479. Next, greatest number. It is as usual. Greatest number, bigger number first. 9, 7, 4, 3, last comes 0. So this is how you are arranging the digits and forming smallest and greatest number. Okay, this is of the first main. Now let us go to second main. What does the second main say? Form the smallest and the greatest 5-digit number. They have given a condition here. Just observe, children. They have given a condition. 5-digit number. Take down the question, children. Second main. Take down the question. Second main. Form the smallest and greatest. Just a slight change. 5-digit number. Take down. 5-digit number using the given digits. See what is the condition? You may have to repeat the digits in some cases. That is the condition. You may have to repeat the digits in some cases. What does this mean? I have explained you with some examples. You have to repeat some digits. If digits are less, you may have to repeat. That is what they are telling. Okay. So first one, again you make the column digits. Then smallest number. Then greatest number. Okay? Yes. First one, just see the first one. The given digits are, what is the first one? Given digits are 2, 4, 9, 6, 1. Page 90. Is everybody in page 90? Yes. Given digits are 2, 4, 9, 6, 1. What is the rule for the smallest number to be formed? You have to write in ascending order. That is 1, 2, 4, 6, 9. This is the smallest number. Greatest number 9, 6, 4, 2, 1. So smallest number is 12,469. Greatest number is 96,421. Now let us go to next one. They have given 3, 2, 7 and 5. What about this? There are only 4 digits. How to form a 5-digit number? I have told you, I have given an example also. When there are less digits and you have to form a number with more digits, you have to repeat. Now question comes, which digit to repeat? Okay? Let us again revise what I taught you before. Here we are writing smallest number. In smallest number, you have to repeat the smallest number. That's it. Okay. So, suppose here, which is the smallest number? 2, then 3, then 7, then 5. First you write that. Okay. 2, 3, 5, 7. This is ascending order. Now, which is the smallest digit? 2. You write it once again. You get the smallest 5-digit number using this. Okay? Now, let us go to next concept, greatest number. Greatest number in the sense you have to write in descending order. Descending order is, which is the greatest number? 7, then 5, then 3, then 2. This is what you have to do first. 7, 5, 3, 2. Descending order you wrote. Now you have to repeat the greatest number. That's it. So here the smallest number is 22,357. Greatest number is 77,532. Smallest number, greatest number. Next, third one. I think, okay, let me do this. 9, 4, 3. There is again difference. Here you have only 3 digits. You have to form a 5-digit number. So let us go to the next one. Yes, what you have to do here now? You have to write a smallest and greatest number. Whatever digits are given, you write in ascending order first. 3, 4, 9. Now, smallest number means what you have to do? You have to repeat the smallest number. 3, 3. Remember this. Yes. Now, greatest number, write in descending order. 9, 4, 3. Now, which number to be repeated? Greatest number. 9. 9. Got it, children? Yes? For smallest number, repeat the smallest number. For greatest number, repeat the greatest number. First step you do, write the smallest ascending order here, in ascending order, descending order for greatest number. Then you do the step of repeating the numbers. Okay? Yes. Now go to next question. Next question says the number is 807. This looks little different. 0 has come. What to do with the 0 now? Yes, can anybody tell me? Okay. To form the smallest number, here you cannot repeat the smallest number because less than the smallest number you have something that is 0, which makes the number even more small. So what you have to do, you start with 7 because you know children, any number starts with 0, it doesn't have any value. So you start with 7 but and end it with 8. Okay, smallest and greatest is there. In middle you can fully fill it with 0 because this will surely be the smallest number. Okay, then for greatest number, you obviously know that bigger number should come for repeating, correct? So smallest is 0, then 7, then 8 as usual. I told you to write in as descending order 8, 7, 0 you wrote, then repeat the greatest number. Greatest number is 8. Now, so I think this concept you have understood. Here 0 has come, some new concept where you are repeating 0 many times. You might ask, ma'am, you said for 0 no value, then why are you repeating? In between numbers 0 has value, children. It makes the number small. Okay? If suppose it is before the number, no value. So, in between the numbers when you may put 0, the number becomes small. For example, if you repeat 7, I just explain to you this one. If suppose you may ask, ma'am, can we repeat 7 many times? Because 7 is small, not 0. Because 0 you told no value. But it is not like that. If you repeat 7, you see children. If suppose you write like this. If you write 0 only once. If you write 0 here, then you repeat 7. Just to see what is the value you get. Yes, 70,778 and 70,008. Which is small? Obviously, this is small, no? Yes, in hundreds place 0 you have written here, there is 7. So you can't repeat 7, though it is smallest here. 0 you take it as smallest. Obviously, 0 doesn't have value before any number. But when you write in between, it has value. It makes the number small. So repeat 0 only, don't repeat 7 anywhere here. Okay, is it understood? This is not correct. This is the correct number. Okay? Yes. Now the last one. I'll do all the sums for you. Last one. 7, 5. This is very interesting. Only 2 digits are given. You have to form a 5-digit number. So how many times you have to repeat? Just how many are less? Those many times you are going to write that number. For example, now what did I say? Smallest number means ascending order. 5 and 7. Right? 5, 7. Then which number you have to repeat for smallest number? Smallest number you have to repeat. So 5, 5, 5. That's it. 55,557. Now, next, for greatest number, what is the rule? You have to write in descending order, I told you. Only 2 numbers are there. So, 7, 5. Now, which number you have to repeat for greatest number? The greatest number given here. So, 7, 7, 7. So, this is the how you do it, and you have learned how to form greatest or smallest, whatever it is, numbers First of all, using the given digits, then by repeating the given digits. Yes, this is all for today, children. In the next class, we will be learning rounding of numbers and Roman numbers. Okay, see you in the next class.